Look who finally showed up. Unload your weapon and return the goods. And if you ask nicely, I just might let it go.
Who said I was returning it?
You little... We had a deal!
I just came here to test my new toys.
They ain't even loaded. Staring down the barrel and you're still daydreaming about being an inventor? Huh? Stop, or she gets it! Then you'll have to answer to Erudicio.
Erudicio? Well, isn't that perfect? I got a bone to pick with them. So how about I just blast you both?
You're crazy! Leave me out of your squabbles! That was dirty!
Haven't you heard? I do things my way.
I really don't like being used as bait, you know. Anyway, let's return that to Erudicio.
Oh, I have something special in store for them down the road. So I'll take this as payment.